The axle, a complex component. There are various versions, each with its own characteristics, and assembly involves many manual steps. The quality management team at Porsche Leipzig actively helped design and implement the automated quality inspection process to ensure the highest production standards. The axles for the Porsche Panamera and Porsche Macan are tested here. Inside the test cell, the 4 robotic arms spring into action, precisely, synchronized, standardized. Each arm is equipped with a camera head designed according to Porsche's specifications. In just 80 seconds, all inspection points are scanned and photographically documented. 2 technologies are used in this process. The contrasts and distances captured by the system via 2D cameras are evaluated using classic rule-based image processing. 3D cameras measure height and depth differences, which are also evaluated using rule-based analysis. The image processing operates according to 3 basic principles. Is every component present? Is the position correct? Are the dimensions within the tolerance range? 3 questions answered in milliseconds for every single inspection point. Every inspection process is fully documented. The manufacturing statuses are fully traceable, a decisive advantage when it comes to not only producing quality, but also being able to prove it. But it doesn't work without people. Of around 700 inspection points, the system handles about 550 automatically. An employee then performs a comprehensive re-inspection of the remaining points, for example, to check for possible grinding noises on the brake discs. This is how humans and machines work together ideally. With the combination of approximately 700 inspection points, the wide variety of inspection criteria, and the speed, the facility in Leipzig sets new standards. The system is constantly being further developed. At Porsche, quality is not a goal, it is a basic requirement. Automated quality inspection is a key component in translating this standard into every single vehicle. And that is recognized. Initiatives like this have made Porsche Leipzig the winner of the Automotive Lean Production Award 2025.